A lot of people are curious about how we price our wines. The first step in determining what we need to charge for the wine is to determine the basic cost of making the wine. Since we're an estate winery, we go from planting the grapes and farming the land all the way to delivering the wine to you at the end of the road. Farming is very expensive. It costs a lot of money to plant a vineyard and to maintain that vineyard through pruning, watering, fertilizing, keeping equipment running, and a lot of other factors that go into the farming operation, including insurance. We also have to cost in how much it costs for us to make a bottle of wine. The wine preparation at harvest is expensive from a labor standpoint, and we have to maintain a lot of equipment and maintain it in good working order to pull off the harvest and the development of the wine. Then we have to figure out, what is a wine going to age in? We have some wines that age in stainless steel, and stainless steel is extremely expensive. Tanks can be $2,000 to $3,000 a piece just for small tanks. We also buy a lot of barrels that we need to purchase to age our wines in, and those barrels can run anywhere from $700 to $1,400 a piece. Again, a big chunk of money that goes out in the production of that wine. Next, and also during the aging process, we keep the wine at 58 degrees. So it's very expensive to maintain the temperature inside of our building year-round. Finally, we get down to the end of the line, the wine is finished, we have packaging costs. Bottles are expensive, glass is getting more expensive by the day. Also the labels and corks are expensive. We have over almost $2 just in the packaging for each bottle of wine that we make. So that is not a cheap part of the equation either. And finally, we have to factor in the cost of getting it to you. We have a tasting room to staff, we have a tasting room to run. We also have transportation costs involved in moving the wine from one place to another. So as you can see, there's a lot of factors in an estate winery that go into the cost of producing that wine. And we invite you to come up to the tasting room and see our finished product, but now you have a little bit of idea of how much work went into getting that bottle to you. See you soon.